Excellent job.
Let's go!
Excellent. Excellent job.
Oh my God! Yes! That was fucking awesome! Yeah!
Oh no.
That joker's heavy.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Bird, brother. Oh, it came from a long ways. What'd I tell you? What was it? Now, last year, when you got your bird,
He came from
10-15. So that's pretty close to the same time as last year.
Yep. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Phew. That's a heavy bird.
Yes, ma'am.
Heavy bird.
What'd you do?
Got you a feather in your cap.
Hang on.
Oh, are you shaking?
This is a heck of a shot. How was them 3-inch shells?
Good.
Didn't even feel it, did you?
Nope. Whew.
Nice. Ooh, man.
I can't like it.
Hey, how's everybody doing? This is the senator here with my nephew, Hunter Ford, with Wildlife Horizon Outdoors. We're out here. This is Saturday, opening day for Ohio Youth Season 2018. And Hunter Ford, back-to-back, same farm, just killed his second turkey. Tell you, we come out here, we was tempted to build a fire in the blind. It was daggone, the wind was blowing right into our face this morning. But we zipped that blind up and we toughed it out. But we had some birds hammering pretty good this morning. They was off on the tip of this field, as you can see in the background. And they was in the tree line. And when they flew down, they shut up. And I don't know, we probably didn't hear another, until we heard this bird actually. It was about 9:30, 9:45, what have you. And he fired up. So we put binoculars on him and I started hitting him with some calls and kind of kept him interested. He gobbled pretty good. But instead of coming up this beautiful green pasture field, he decided to drop down in a ravine over here off to our right and then come up into a plowed section of the field. And then once he, you know, he's kind of looked like he was losing interest, so I laid on him pretty heavy with the calling just to hold his interest and, you know, put him into strut. And he strutted in. There's literally blood splattered on the Jake decoy from where Hunter put the smackdown on him. He come in and seen that Jaco and he just wore it out. He attacked it. And Hunter, I think Hunter just about, you about jumped out of your chair, didn't you?
Yeah.
But he did good. Hunter's got a lot of patience. He's going to be a great hunter, deer and turkey, because he's got great patience. And he waited. The bird, whenever I finally told him we got enough, footage of him attacking the decoy, I told Hunter, I said, all right, it's time. Whenever you get a shot, you go ahead and take it. And I didn't have to say any more. So did you have fun, Hunter?
Yeah, it was really fun, actually.
Yeah. What do you think? He gobbled maybe 80 to 100 times, probably all the way across that field. I mean, he just he was by himself, so that helped us. That was in our favor. We watched a hen earlier this morning. She came out. She was by herself, and so that put the odds in our favor. The fact that there wasn't any other hens or anything out here in the field, and he was by himself. So we just stayed on him, kept calling, and worked him in. So now we're going to try and get Hunter's dad one. He's never killed a bird, and so that's next on the list. And so all of you stay tuned. Look out for us on YouTube. We'll have a video out. Wildlife Horizons. Thank you, everyone.